have a look at this one, guys. What was it?
Prawns gambas.
Prawns gambas.
They're eating tapas.
Oh, have a look at that.
Spanish
It's
tapas.
still boiling. Yum. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's Thursday night, guys. As we all know, it's a date night, and I'm with Dada. And we are finding the place to go to for dinner. It's supposed to be my turn, guys, but I'm giving it up. I just let him choose. But that's not the one, Daddy. It could be, I think, one more arcade. So last week, guys, we went to this Thai restaurant and it was good. So hopefully we'll find something somewhere. That's not the one, Daddy. I think we have to go one more with that. Yeah, straight. Yeah, I think more straight here to the end. Go
Yeah, and then you'll be in Degraves Street, Mum. I don't want to go to Degraves. That's alright.
Sandra. Guys, there's Pinay and Co there. Is this Golden Street, Daddy? This is Golden Street. All the brands, luxury brands are here, guys. Chanel, Louis Vuitton. Are we going there, Daddy? Oh Lord. We're just going through the arcade and I think there's few restaurants there. Guys, Barbarian there. The weather today is so beautiful, guys. It's not cold. Is there a basketball court there, Daddy?
No, shop.
Everything's shut. They're closed, Daddy. So guys, have a look all the graffitis around here. Welcome to Melbourne. Hell's Kitchen. What's this street, Daddy?
Huh?
What's this street?
Degraves.
Degraves. Well, they're all closing. They don't want us, guys.
What's the like about?
This one?
Mama.
Lots of restaurants. Here, guys. pasta?
Yeah, I'm just having a look which one's popular. I'm
Well,
thinking this one. I like the look of it. This one for sure.
Japanese.
This one's popular.
Hi, how are you? So guys, we are in Degraves Espresso. So I think they sell Spanish food. I think. Gonna get Dada to choose. Surprise me, Daddy. Probably just grab a few of his things and we'll go and share.
Done, mate. Already tried it.
Well done. So here's the place, guys. Degraves Espresso. Have a look at that. So is this, what's the Degraves Lane?
Go straight.
Street. Yeah. So busy, guys. Have a look. And that's Window Street Station. Train station. Woo. Let's go order, Daddy.
Oh, wait, so it's ready.
Here's our drink, guys. We've got lemon lime and bitters. What have you got, Daddy?
That?
What have you got?
Rosé.
Rosé. Have a look at this one, guys. What was it?
Prawns gambas.
Prawns gambas.
They're eating tapas.
Oh, have a look at that.
Spanish
It's
tapas.
still boiling. Yum. So guys, it's the next one. It's fried calamari and pork belly. Oh, so
Lift the
yum.
camera up a little bit.
Look what we've done here, guys. Dada ordered one more. What did you order, Daddy?
Potato bravas.
Potato bravas.
Bravas.
Bravas. I finished my drink already, guys. Maybe I'll just drink water. But yeah, it was yummy. Finished it. But not the grass. Here's the last part of this dinner, guys. So it's potato bravas. It's very daddy. Lots of potatoes. But I think I'm just gonna eat the bread.
Huh?
I'm just gonna eat the bread.
That's the potato one. Yeah, just like for me.
Dada's not paying us. It's so nice in here. Guys, we just finished our dinner. Thanks, Daddy, for dinner. So we're gonna go walk back to the car now, guys. Well, actually, we might stop at the shops to get what?
I'll buy something for it.
Oh, tomorrow? Okay, alright. That's fine then. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, the lighting here is so beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.